Hello everyone. Is your terrace leaking every monsoon? Have you already spent thousands on cement and tile repairs? And the seepage is still coming back, right? Then you're solving the wrong problem. Today I'm going to show you a product that goes on like a liquid and sets like a rubber. I know this is some kind of technical. It is called liquid rubber waterproofing. And once you understand how it works, you will never go back to traditional methods. So, what exactly is liquid rubber waterproofing? It is a polymer based coating usually made from polyurethane, bitumen, or acrylic compounds that you apply in liquid form using a brush, roller, or spray. Once it dries, it forms a seamless, flexible rubber membrane that sticks tightly to the surface. There are no joints, no seams, and no weak points. It can handle UV radiation, heavy rainfall, thermal expansion, and even mild chemical exposure. Think of it as like a second skin for your building, one that moves with the structure and never ever cracks. Now, users. Where can you actually use liquid rubber waterproofing? The list is quite long, but it is most commonly used on flat roof and RCC terraces, especially in Indian homes, where pooling water is a major issue every monsoon. It works brilliantly in bathrooms, wet areas, and under tile applications. Basements and underground water tanks are another very common use case. It is also widely used in swimming pools, parking decks, industrial floors, and bridge structures. And one of the most underrated users, it is excellent for renovation projects. If you're planning to renovate your project, your building, where old waterproofing has already failed and you do not want to redo the entire surface, this is the best one. Next, application process. The application process is straightforward, even for a first timer. Step 1, surface preparation. The surface must be clean, completely dry, and free from dust, oil, or any loose particles. Any existing cracks should be filled before you begin. Step 2, apply a primer if the product recommends it for better adhesion. Step 3, apply the first coat using a brush or roller and allow it to cure for 4 to 6 hours. Step 4, apply the second coat in the opposite direction for uniform coverage. For high stress areas, a fiber mesh reinforcement can be embedded between coats. Total curing time is typically 24 to 48 hours. That is it. The surface is fully waterproofed. Now let's talk about cost in India, because this is what everyone wants to know, right? In India, prices vary depend on type of product and the brand. Basic bitumen based liquid waterproofing starts at around 150 to 250 per kg. Mid range polyurethane based products are priced between 300 to 600 per kg. Premium brands like Fixit, Fosroc, and BASF range from 600 to 1200 per kg. If you include labor, the total application cost works out to roughly 30 to 80 per square foot. For a standard 1000 square foot terrace, you're looking at a total budget of approximately 40 to 80,000 depending on the brand and number of coats you want to use. It sounds like a lot upfront, but given the lifespan, it is excellent value for money. So now let's talk about like what are the companies actually available in India. So the top companies offering liquid rubber waterproofing are like Dr. Fixit. It's the most widely and trusted brand for residential projects, and Fosroc India offers high performance products ideal for these are ideal for commercial and infrastructure applications. Another one, BASF, that's Master Seal range is known for international quality standards. And STP Limited, it is a reliable and affordable option available across most hardware stores. Next, Asian Paint SmartCare, it's a great choice for DIY users and widely available and easy to apply. And Sika India is a preferred brand for industrial and heavy duty waterproofing needs. So all of these are available at local hardware shops, also on online, Amazon, Flipkart, and through the brand websites directly. And next, we'll talk about advantages and disadvantages. Now, for the most important comparison, like starting with the advantages, it creates a completely seamless membrane with no joints or weak points. It is highly flexible and accommodates structural movement without cracking. It is UV and weather resistant and perfect for Indian climate conditions. It is long lasting, easy to apply, and available in eco friendly variants as well. Now, the disadvantages. Surface preparation is absolutely critical. Any moisture or contamination will cause the coating to fail. The upfront cost is slightly higher than the traditional waterproofing methods. High traffic areas may need recoating sooner. And for large or complex areas, professional application is strongly recommended. But here is the thing, when you compare the long term performance, the advantages clearly and decisively outweigh the disadvantages. Now let's talk about lifespan and how long does it actually last? A properly applied liquid rubber waterproofing system using a quality product will comfortably last for 10 to 15 years. Premium polyurethane based systems can even last up to 20 years with minimal maintenance. Compare that to traditional cement based waterproofing, which typically starts failing within 3 to 5 years. And the choice becomes obvious. So, if you are planning a renovation, building a new home, or just tired of fixing the same seepage problem every single year, liquid rubber waterproofing is absolutely worth the investment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and drop a comment below telling me what waterproofing issue you are dealing with. I will cover the solution in my next video. See you there. Thank you for watching.